Hi everyone, Sharon LaFlamme from Creating Serenity Now, and this is my tip for the day for you to practice being more embodied, building your neural pathway, feeling more proprioception, building the ventral vagal, and similar to what I did last week, you're going to do opposite day. And what does that mean? Instead of using your dominant hand to write or cut or do something, go pick something up with your non-dominant hand and notice how that feels. And notice as you do it throughout the day how things change because you're building the neural pathway. So if you're walking up the stairs, put your step first with your non-dominant foot, the one you would typically not use. So this is my suggestion for the day, is go at it using your non-dominant hand, foot, however you might proceed with something that's just natural that you just go to. And this helps us absorb in our brain and in our neurons a new experience. It helps build neural pathways, and it helps you experience things differently, because when we build that pathway so regularly, we tend to not feel it. But when you have to think about it, see it, feel it differently, you experience it differently, and you can maybe bring more of your felt sense into this experience. And play with this, right? Have fun with this. Notice when you feel it's awkward or you've done something that seems funny. Give yourself a break. Be gentle and kind and compassionate as you move forward in your embodiment. So please consider subscribing and commenting, reaching out, and namaste.